Clever, but that's how it is. Now that's ordinary bilirubin. We must remember something about bilirubin. Bilirubin exists in two forms, conjugated and unconjugated form. Roughly, the difference between conjugated and unconjugated bilirubin is that unconjugated bilirubin is toxic and can injure cells and can kill cells in high concentration, particularly that of the neurons, the brain cells, and babies with high level of compound in blood with this die very early because of brain disease, kirnicturis. So there shouldn't be lots of unconjugated bilirubin in the blood. So what do? We conjugate it. We join it with another chemical, the glucogenic acid. We make it water soluble, so it cannot penetrate into cells. It cannot damage cells, and it can then be excreted. So let me just remind us again, a quick review. There are two forms of bilirubin, conjugated and unconjugated forms of bilirubin. Unconjugated bilirubin is toxic and can injure and kill cells. So it's very reasonable that hemolytic jaundice, where there is lots of unconjugated bilirubin in the blood, is never severe. So what do? We conjugate it. We join it with another chemical, the glucogenic acid in the liver. We make it water soluble, so it cannot penetrate into cells. And it cannot damage them and kill them. And it then can be excreted. And it leaves the biliary tree to then be excreted. And the biliary tree at this point consists of little canals called the biliary caniculi. So that's all we have to know about bilirubin. Something about how it's formed, something about conjugated and unconjugated forms of bilirubin. If we did not conjugate bilirubin, we would all be permanently yellow. We would all be permanently jaundiced. And we would all die of brain disease, kirnicturis. There is an animal called the Gunn rat, which cannot conjugate bilirubin at all. So what color is it? Yes, it's yellow. And does it die early? Yes, it does. It dies for two reasons. Firstly, because of brain disease, kirnicturis, and secondly, because you lot are so interested to follow its unique bilirubin metabolism, you kill it early.